Welcome back to Lively Quiz. Today's challenge is all about the most fascinating machine on Earth, the human body. Get ready to explore how your body works through 50 amazing questions that will test your knowledge and surprise you with fun facts. You'll have 10 seconds to think for each question. Are you ready to play? Let's get started. First question. The brain is capable of storing more information than any computer, a phone, or a library. The answer is any computer. Your brain has a storage capacity of about 2.5 million gigabytes. It's enough to record 3 million hours of TV. When can your heart really skip a beat? Exercising, falling in love, or sleeping? Correct. It's when you're falling in love. Who has a faster heart rate? Is it male, female, or both the same? It's B, female. Because their hearts are smaller and need to beat more often to pump the same amount of blood. Are left-handed people smarter? No, never. Yes, always, or no proof. It's no proof. Studies show intelligence isn't linked to hand dominance. Which organ can regenerate itself? Is it the liver, the kidney, or the lung? That right. The answer is liver. It can regrow even after being partially removed. Where does love come from in the body? The heart, the brain, or the stomach? It's the brain. Your emotions and attachment come from brain chemistry and hormones released, not the heart. What is the size of the heart? Is it a ball, a fist, or a book? Correct. The answer is a fist. Which part of the body can detect a liar? The eyes, ears, or nose? It's the eyes. They can reveal stress or hesitation when someone's lying. Which body parts never stop growing? Is it eyes, hair, nails, or nose and ears? It's the nose and ears never stop growing because they're made of cartilage, which keeps changing shape and expanding slowly as we age. Why do we get fever? To kill germs, or because of hunger, or from cold air? Correct. It's to kill germs. Let's play a quick quiz. Can you guess the body part just by looking at these emojis? Comment your answer before it shows up. It's the nose. Did you get it right? Which organ can you live without? Is it the heart, stomach, or spleen? The answer is spleen. How How much blood is in the human body? 2 liters, 5 liters, or 10 liters? It's about 5 liters. Why do we blush when we're embarrassed? Blood rushes to the face, oxygen drops, or heart slows down? That's right. The answer is blood rushes to the face. The lungs are about the size of a football field, a tennis court, or a room? A tennis court. It is estimated that the adult human lung has on the order of 300 million alveoli, with a total surface area approximately the size of a tennis court. Which organ has the ability to dissolve metals? Kidney, liver, or stomach? The answer is stomach. Stomach acid is strong enough to dissolve zinc and iron. Why do humans get goosebumps, cold chills, tiny muscles contract, or fear hormones? It's because tiny muscles contract. These muscles pull on your hair roots, making the hair stand up and causes goosebumps. Why does alcohol make the face turn red? Widens blood vessels, raises temperature, or causes allergies? The answer is it widens blood vessels. Why does your stomach growl when hungry? Gas moving, hunger pangs, or acid bubbling? It's gas moving. Your stomach muscles contract to move air and fluid when it's empty. What is the speed of a person's sneeze? 5 kilometers per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, or 160 kilometers per hour? It's 160 kilometers per hour. That's why you should not hold back a sneeze, because the ears will have to bear a very large impact force. This can lead to the risk of sinus disease. Why do we yawn? To stretch the jaw, because we're bored, or to get more oxygen? Correct. It's to get more oxygen. Challenge time. The brain is running. Can you stop it at the right spot? Time's up. Did you get it right? Comment yes if you nailed it. What is the fastest growing organ? Is it skin, hair, or nails? That's right. It's skin. What organ absorbs nutrients from food? Small intestine, stomach, or liver? It's the small intestine. When does your brain stop growing? At birth, early 20s, or never? That would be in your early 20s. Which part of the body can float on water? Is it brain, lungs, or liver? The answer is lungs. Can stress change the shape of your brain? No or yes, or only temporarily? The correct answer is yes. Long-term stress can shrink parts of the brain that control memory and emotions and change how brain cells connect. How many colors can the human eye identify? 100, 1,000, or 1 million colors? It's about 1 million. Which body part is more active when you sleep? The brain, the heart, or the lungs? That would be the brain. Where are 25% of a person's bones located? Hands, feet, or spine? The answer is in the feet. They contain 26 bones each. What body part is stronger than steel? Your muscle, bone, or tendon? It's bone. How many kilometers does your blood travel each day? 1,000, 9,000, or 19,000 kilometers? The answer is around 19,000 kilometers. Your blood is always on the move. Which organ is the most multifunctional? Liver, brain, or stomach? That would be the liver. This is the most versatile organ in the body with up to 500 jobs, from filtering blood, breaking down and absorbing fat, processing cholesterol, and some vitamins. Why do we hiccup? Because of swallowed air, food stuck, or diaphragm spasm. It's diaphragm spasm. The quick spasm makes air rush in and your vocal cords close, creating the hic sound. Which is the strongest muscle in the body? Jaw, heart, or leg? The answer is the jaw. How many times does the heart beat per day? 10,000, 100,000, or 1 million times? It's about 100,000 times, pumping blood non-stop through your body. Can your brain trick you into feeling pain? Yes, no, or rarely? Yes. Sometimes your brain thinks something hurts even when your body isn't really injured. It can trick you into feeling pain that isn't actually there. What happens to your brain when you have a nightmare, shuts down, becomes overactive, or relax? It becomes overactive, especially in emotion and memory regions. Can a toothache cause a headache? Yes or no, or sometimes? Yes. A toothache can cause a headache because the nerves in your teeth and head are interconnected, a phenomenon called referred pain. How old is the oldest person ever? 100, 112, or 122? It's C, 122. The oldest person ever was Jeanne Calment from France, lived to 122 years and 164 days, the longest verified human lifespan. She was born in 1875 and died in 1997. What is the purpose of dreams? Memory processing, random thoughts, or brain rest? It's memory processing. Why do we cry when we're happy? Eye reflex, joy hormones, or emotional overflow? That would be emotional overflow. Can you guess the body part from just a part revealed? Correct. It's the lungs. Which organ removes waste and water from your body? Is it liver, kidneys, or bladder? The answer is the kidneys. Can you sneeze with your eyes open? Yes, no, or sometimes? Yes, you can sneeze with your eyes open, but it's very difficult because closing your eyes is an automatic reflex. Which organ is the largest by size? The brain, liver, or skin? That right, it's the skin. What is the average human lifespan in years? 50 to 60, 70 to 80, or 90 to 100? The answer is 70 to 80 years. Which part of the body has the thickest skin? Palms, eyelids, or soles of feet? That would be the soles of your feet. They handle the most pressure and friction. Which sense develops first in babies? Hearing, sight, or taste? It's hearing. Babies can hear sounds even before birth. How hard are human bones? Rubber, steel, or glass? Correct. The answer is steel. Which system controls body movement and balance, nervous, circulatory, or digestive? That would be the nervous system. How many pairs of ribs does a typical human have? 10, 11, or 12? It's 12 pairs. The most common eye color in the world is hazel, blue, or brown. The answer is brown. Great job! You've just completed 50 fascinating questions about the incredible machine that keeps you alive every day. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and tell us which fact surprised you the most. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our next challenge. See you in the next video.